First and foremost, I want to give a big shout out to Sam Morrow and his band. What a bunch of badasses, man. Those guys are... I say this a lot when I'm up here introing bands, and hey, it's family. But today it really kind of rings true. These guys have been friends of mine for a lot of years, and every opportunity I get to get up here, support them, I'll take. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, from right here in Lubbock, Texas. No drum coming!
It's life for me.
My earliest memories are around music.
Music has been a part of me ever since I can remember.
Lubbock really is, I feel like we're diverse musically, and I feel like the music community and the musicians here are much more connected and supportive of each other. It's not quite as cutthroat competition.
Lubbock has been really good to me as an artist, allowing me the freedom to grow into my own, and everybody's supportive. It doesn't matter if it's necessarily their style. If you're doing a good job, people do notice.
Pretty much Blue Light Live is for sure kind of the home base for Lubbock music in general, but
definitely
for us as well.
Yeah,
you know?
I feel like that's where we grew the most, was when we were on stage at Blue Light, you know, just jamming out as friends.
Yeah.
I think whenever we met, we were no different than anyone who knows how to play bass or drums or guitar and knows how to sing the right songs. Like, it's crazy how everything just kind of worked out. But and it's all due to that local music scene here for sure.
It's one of the things I love about the scene here in Lubbock is there really is every type of music every night of the week here.
I like anything that hits, anything that makes you nod your head. There's a lot of venues to play, and they're all different, so they let different types of artists grow. And I've definitely seen some growth in that.
It's a genuine music scene that people just know, and they just care, you know?
It's definitely like a thing we say every show, like, we're proud to be from Lubbock. We make that known.
Yeah.
Like, we're from Lubbock, Texas. That probably says it at least 5 times, you know? So we get it across, but, you know, we're proud of it.
I'd say in 5 years, I'd like to see a thriving musical and arts entertainment district. All the artists eating well because they get to play as much as they need to, and they don't have to move away to make a living. That's what I want to see for Lubbock.
I love this town. I love being a part of the music scene here. I love the people. I think that if you love music, this is a good place to be, for sure.